Alright, we are officially on the streets of Amsterdam. Last night was sort of weird. I had a weird experience. For some reason, they have curfew after 12 because of COVID, I guess. So I was walking down the streets, just saw a lot of weirdos and stuff. Wasn't a good first time experience, to be very honest. But let's see how tonight goes and today goes before we hit the nightlife. Apparently, clubs open early now, so 6 to 8 o'clock is a good time to go, and everything closes as well. So we'll see how tonight holds up. But right now we are going to do some sightseeing, just walking around the streets. Let's see how this goes. Cheers. I just keep saying cheers a lot. I think I should just start living at a club 24/7. But yeah, there you go. Alright guys, first stop of the day, it's Rijksmuseum. It's cute. I'm not a museum sort of a guy, so I won't go in. But I'll quickly pan the camera over to give you a view of the architecture. I'm just so much into architecture and different styles of architecture. So just a pan here, and then we walk over to the next stop. Yeah, actually just gonna walk through the museum gates. They also have bike lanes going through it. Let's see what's inside. There's people walking through it. Okay, there's live music. It's bustling. A lot of people are just sitting here chilling. And I can move around. How it looks. Okay, you can actually see inside the museum from here. I'm gonna quickly pan the camera over. That's the inside where we are not going. Looks nice. A lot of people. Actually, on the other side too, you can see inside the museum. See a cafe in there. Just quickly go over to that side just to check it out from the outside. And move on, keep moving on, walking. See. It's actually pretty busy inside. I think that's enough museum for me. Let's move on to the next spot. I mean, just walking through the museum. Sorry, there are bike lanes here. The bike lanes throughout the city, and everyone bikes. You know, I've even at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. I saw people biking around the city. Maybe something to try it out. If I have enough time, I'll give it a shot. Just bike around the city, see how it's like to live as a local in Amsterdam. Okay, we are on the other side of the museum, and they have open gardens here. Looks pretty nice. Just getting a bite and got right outside the museum. So let's see how this is. Haven't eaten anything since last night, and starting the day very late. I was super tired after Prague. Decided to just stay in. Started the day around like 2 o'clock. Left my hotel at 4. Let's see. Actually pretty good. Yeah, just walking around the museum, and I just walked across the Van Gogh Museum. It's right next to the Rijksmuseum. It's like a open garden here. Yeah, it just keeps raining, so always carry an umbrella with you if you're ever in Amsterdam. Pro tip. Let's see that. I actually think the Van Gogh Museum is actually pretty big. I don't know if I'll go in, but let's see. this entire area is actually full of museums, so you can sort of call it the museum district, if you want to call it that. I think it's called the Museum Square. We saw the Rijksmuseum, then the Van Gogh Museum, and then there's another art museum right here. So it's all museum concentrated in this area. Just walking to Dam Square now. That's like the city center. Almost there. It's actually a very cute city, that's how I would put it. Everything just looks cute, the streets look cute, all the houses, all the buildings, the way the canals are throughout the city is just so cute. Hey, still in Dam Square. It's so well lit up. It's so nice. It's like the city center. I'll add a few pan shots here as well. In Amsterdam. After a night of clubbing, we are heading to the red light district. I wish I could film there, but it's not allowed apparently. That's what I've read online. If I'm able to film, I'll film there. I'm just gonna walk around, see how it is. Heard a lot and read a lot about the red windows, so let's see how it is. I'm just gonna walk around, see the atmosphere, and report back to you guys. See you on the other side. Wish me luck. I hope I don't get robbed or I don't get offered drugs or anything, because I have heard like it's a very sketchy, I mean it's a safe but also a sketchy area, you know, a lot of random people are gonna approach you. So let's see. I'll let you know on the other side. Coming here is like coming on a pilgrimage. Like seriously, I love beer so much, and just looking at all the history here, it's so interesting. You know how I told you guys that I don't like going to museums? This is the only exception. These are the kind of museums I would love to go to and I love to go to.